Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily mirror your Mac screen to your Apple TV. So it's a super simple process and I'll guide you step by step so you can start screen mirroring in no time. So before we start, make sure of two things. Your Mac and Apple TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and both devices are powered on and ready to go. So once you've got that, let's jump right in. First, head to the control center on your Mac. You'll find it in the top right corner of your screen. Next, click on Screen Mirroring. Here, you'll see a list of available devices. Find and select your Apple TV. In my case, it's called Living Room. After selecting your Apple TV, your Mac screen will instantly mirror to it. So here's a pro tip that don't worry if your screen resolution looks a little bit off. That's just your Mac adjusting to the Apple TV's output settings. Now here's a cool feature. You can use your Apple TV as a second display, and to do this, go back to the control center and click on screen mirroring again. From the drop down menu next to your Apple TV, choose use a separate display, and your Mac will now treat the Apple TV as an extra screen. So you can drag windows over to it and multitask like a pro. When you're done mirroring or using the external display, stopping it is just as easy. Open the control center, go to screen mirroring, click on your Apple TV to disconnect. And after a moment, your Mac and Apple TV will go back to normal. And that's it. You now know how to mirror your Mac screen to your Apple TV and even use it as a second display. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.